Welcome to DIY Volts. I'm Seth. I've got the Orient Power 6.5 kilowatt power inverter that I want to have a common ground with some other electronics in my power shed. The problem is the neutral and the ground on this inverter are linked together. So today I want to show you how to test whether or not your inverter is linked together, and then show you the combining screw that combines the neutral and ground together. So let's go ahead and open up this inverter and fix this issue. The first step is to remove the screws that hold the display. These can be found on the bottom and the side. I've already removed some of them to make this process go by a little quicker. A Phillips head screwdriver is all you need for removing these. Simply pull the display off and that should rest over to the side. The cables in may be long enough for you. Looks like mine are, just to set this over here. To test for continuity, I've got this VinLabs multimeter. I'm going to set this to the continuity setting, which means whenever I touch the two probes together, it will beep. And that just means that two pieces of metal are the same piece. So if I touch the screws in here between the neutral and the ground, you can hear that those are connected. I can also go over here to the ground of the grid in and see that all those points are the same for the neutral and the ground and both those over there as well. So it is linked together. The next step is to remove the case here. So I'm going to go along and remove all of these screws that are found holding this case together. With all those screws removed, I'm going to lift this up out of the way. Set this to the side. To find the screw that links the neutral and the ground together, you step up here, go past this control board, and right in front of those yellow blocks is where it is. Let me zoom in so you can see that better. Right down in there, you can see the little ground symbol right there. Sadly, I don't have a screwdriver with a magnetic tip on it, so I may be playing the fishing game here in just a moment as I pull this screw up out of here. I was able to use some needle nose pliers and I got that screw out of there. Now that it has been removed, we should be able to use our continuity test to see if the neutral and ground are linked. Nope, not there. So if I touch over here on the other ground, it does beep, but now at the neutral, it is no longer connected. So I'm able to use a single ground to connect my other electronics and this to the same ground. And there we have it. Removing that one screw is all you have to do to get the bond between the neutral and the ground. Now I'm able to take my earth ground and use it with my other electronics that don't have a bonded neutral, and this thing should work just fine. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.